Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we are going to be looking at the Mojack HDL 500 mower lift. This is a great jack for your zero turns and riding lawn mowers. Comes pretty much complete. The only thing you really have to assemble is putting on the two lifting ears with a couple of pins. Also includes a couple of safety straps if you want to add those to the mower as well, and a handle to jack it up. Operation couldn't be simpler. Just close the needle valve on the hydraulic jack and start jacking away. Now, once you get it up to a certain level, there's a couple of safety catches on either side of the jack that will drop, as we saw there. And to engage those, once you bypass them, just release your needle valve ever so slightly until the jack comes back to rest against those safety catches, and then retighten the needle valve. That is kind of a double security. Now, to release them, you want to jack the pressure up off the safety catches, engage the foot pedal on the front, which will lift those pins up, and then release the needle valve, and the mower will slowly come right back down. Phenomenal jack, way better than the screw type that I had been using in the past. And this thing comes pretty much complete. I mean, there was virtually no assembly required. It's been a phenomenal jack so far. I definitely highly recommend this thing, and I'll be leaving some links in the description box below for those that are interested in it. I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.